Welcome. If you want to stay on top of every opportunity on LinkedIn, enabling push notifications for page invitations is a must. With the latest update, the process is even more streamlined. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to turn on push notifications for page invitations using LinkedIn on your PC. First, open your preferred browser and head to linkedin.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your LinkedIn homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture labeled as Me. Click on it to open the drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your account settings, where you can control everything from privacy to notifications. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a menu. Click on Notifications to manage how and when LinkedIn keeps you updated. Within the Notifications section, you'll find different categories for the types of alerts you can receive. Scroll down and click on Pages. This section manages notifications related to LinkedIn pages, including invitations to follow or manage a page. Next, look for the option labeled Page Invitations. Here, you'll see a toggle switch for push notifications. Turn this toggle to On. This ensures you'll receive real-time push notifications on your device whenever you get a new page invitation. With push notifications enabled, you won't miss any invitations to join or follow new pages, whether it's for networking, career growth, or staying updated with industry trends. You can always revisit these settings to adjust your preferences at any time. That's it. You've now set up push notifications for page invitations on LinkedIn using your PC. This quick update helps you stay connected and responsive to every new opportunity that comes your way. Thanks for watching, and enjoy making the most of your LinkedIn experience.